Can you really manifest love after 50? Yes. My approach is not mystical. I'm talking about something far more grounded. If you believe love is possible for you and you take aligned action, your chances of finding love will increase. And today, I'll show you exactly how. Here's the wild part. Love is happening all around us constantly. People over 50 fall in love at cafes, gyms, art classes. It's not that love isn't available. It's that you may not be seeing it because your mind is focused on what's missing. So in this video, I'll walk you through how to shift your beliefs on a deeper level so you naturally become someone who attracts connection, joy, and yes, real love. And watch till the end because I'll share 3 steps you can start taking right away. And for extra support, download my A4 Confidence Workbook and your best profile yet PDF. Links are in the description below. Let me tell you something I hear from my clients constantly. Eija, it feels like nobody good is left. Or everyone around me is getting divorced, so why should I believe love is possible? And I always say, you find what you focus on. If your belief is love doesn't happen, people like me, your mind will scan the world for evidence that proves you right. But the flip side is also true. When you shift into the belief that love is available, your world starts showing you opportunities you didn't notice before. What does manifesting really mean? So let's redefine manifesting in a way that actually works. Manifesting equals your beliefs shaping your actions and your actions shaping your reality. It's not magic, it's psychology. When you change the belief that drives your behavior, everything else follows. You show up more confidently. You're more curious instead of guarded. You're lighter, more joyful, more open. And guess what? People feel that shift instantly. This is why 2 people can go on the same date and have completely different experiences. Why we don't see love even when it's everywhere. Your brain has a filter called reticular activating system. It highlights what you believe and hides what doesn't match that belief. So if you believe love is rare, people my age don't fall in love, or dating is hopeless, your brain will literally filter out examples love around you, even when they're happening right in front of you. But when you shift to love is possible, people my age find love all the time, your brain starts showing you those moments. That shift alone changes how you feel, how you act, and how others respond. Okay, let's make this actionable. Here are 3 things you can start right now to shift that deeper belief system. Step 1, rebuild self-value. When you genuinely value yourself in a grounded, real way, your energy changes. You stop shrinking, you stop apologizing for your needs, and you stop settling. This alone filters out wrong people and draws in the right ones. Step 2, train your brain to see possibility. For 1 week, I want you to intentionally notice every moment of connection you see around you. Happy couples, people flirting, moments of affection. This isn't about envy, it's about reprogramming your mind to recognize love again. Step 3, take aligned action. This is where manifesting becomes real. You cannot sit at home visualizing a partner, because belief plus behavior equals results. That means saying yes to invitations, trying new activities, updating your online profile, showing up with curiosity instead of fear. When you believe and actions match, your results will change. So yes, you absolutely can manifest love after 50, not by wishing, but believing deeply that love is possible for you, and then taking actions that align with that belief. If you want more guidance on dating over 50, make sure you subscribe, because next week I'm sharing 3 common beliefs that block people over 50 from finding real love. I hope to see you soon again. I post 3 times a week. Love and light. Bye.